couple other examples of dashboards that I'll show you real briefly. If we take a look out at this environment, this is the environment that I walked you through with the Incorta marketplace. And this has the EBS data application deployed in it. Now, I mentioned that we have about 120, 130 dashboards out of the box for EBS, and those span all of your core domains: finance, supply chain, manufacturing, etc., HCM, of course. Now, if we come into supply chain, just as an example, each of those components, span kind of subcomponents. So in this case, it's field service, it's inventory, it's order management, it's purchasing. I bet these areas are of some interest to most of you on the call. And if you want to dive a little bit deeper, reach out to us. We can do a deep dive demo and explore the content and have a discussion around that. But in the context of time that we have today, it's going to be a little bit higher level. So in this case, if I come into inventory and I want to go take a look at my inventory to open PO overview, maybe I'm in supply chain planning and I want to have a better understanding of, what's coming in the pipeline and what POs are open. I can come to this dashboard and get that information at my fingertips. So I can see my top 20 across the org. I can see, in transit, what quantity is in transit and what's the value by the organization name. I can see, organizational summaries, and then, ultimately I can get down to that SKU level of detail. I can see, my item details. So this DBICC, I can see the description, all the way to that level of granularity, the on-hand quantity and value, and the open PO quantity and value. Again, this particular dashboard is part of our EBS data applications. It comes out of the box, as well as, again, 120, 130 other dashboards as well.